Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's mini-series of 5 episodes, we are going to show you interesting facts about artificial intelligence. So please make sure that you watch the other episode as well and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content. So let's get it started. Artificial Intelligence Facts 2023. Statistics and data on artificial intelligence demonstrate the extent of the market's influence on the globe. Over the past few years, it has significantly changed the technology environment. But the sector as a whole is still quite young. AI and machine learning will significantly alter how organizations, businesses, and people interact as they continue to grow. Here are some numbers and data you should be aware of. Cybersecurity with AI statistics. The AI cybersecurity market will increase impressively by 23.6% from 2020 to $46.3 billion by 2027. A cyber data attack occurs online every 39 seconds, and every day, some 300,000 new pieces of malware are found. Nearly 65% of businesses globally experienced a cyber data incident in 2021. However, just 12% of them had installed security analytics powered by AI. -61% of firms claim that without artificial intelligence, it is hard to find data security breaches. 80% of the businesses are in the telecom sector. Compared to firms in other nations, the U.S. places a 15% greater emphasis on AI-based data cybersecurity. Artificial intelligence statistics about healthcare. -38% of healthcare organizations utilize AI to aid in diagnosing patients. In 2020, the FDA approved more than 100 different AI development tools for medicinal applications. Hematology, cardiology, and radiology are the most popular specialties. More than $4.6 billion will be spent on medical surgical robots in 2020. By 2027, that figure is anticipated to increase by an additional 17.4%. A machine learning algorithm created by Stanford University can forecast the demise of hospital patients 90% of the time. Healthcare is expected to have the most intelligent robots for AI research and application by 2027. By 2022, it is anticipated that 75% of healthcare tasks would be successfully completed by machines working alone. Artificial intelligence could save the clinical healthcare sector more than $150 billion by 2026. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.